ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned in case this is the start of the up move, we can have entry above the top. As we can see, the price dropped and then we didn't get the trade. Okay. And as you can see, the price broke the previous low and we see the divergence. Now the question is whether this is the start of the up move and we should look for this one as a flag for continuation, or this one is a flat for one more drop. Okay, in this case, we want to see how we can look for trade. We move to daily chart, and based on daily chart, we don't have anything to discuss, because even if you want to put this one as a correction relative to this is what we are discussing based on 1 hour chart. Anyway, we can expect the price to consolidate within this one for a longer time. That's why if we get any trade for buy, we need to see the continuation as a short move. If it turns to a corrective move, we should know how to manage, as we discussed, based on lower time frame. And if we move to forward chart, the only thing is what we see here is a corrective. Most of the chart, they have a similar movement. Mostly we can expect the price to go as one more drop. Okay, because we want to see, still we're looking at this one as a made this one turn to flat, and this is the start of the down move. The only thing is we cannot get the confirmation. Then that's why if you want to look for buy, we need to be careful. If this one turn to a corrective move, the price reverse as a corrective move, still we can expect this one drop some more. All right, in this case, we want to see whether this one can give us one more drop. That means this one can turn to a deeper move, and if it give us one more drop, how deep it can go. For me, if I put 61% FIB, I think if this one price cannot reverse from here, that means if this one turn to a deeper move, the next level with the breakout of the previous low, the lowest price of this move is 2180. Because if the price break this level, then mostly the price can retest the previous low, because we don't want to see the price drop more than 61%. Anyway, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up. And if we move to 1 hour chart, now we want to see how we can look for trade, whether we should buy within this or not. Because as I mentioned, still we can look at, even we have a divergence, but still we can look at this one as a flat for one more drop before we get the reversal. Okay, then how we can look for trade? Still we can put our entry above the stop. If there is a continuation as a sharp move, we take the trade. May similar to what we get here if we had entry above this. At least we see the sharp move, the breakout. But if the price continue as a corrective move, then we are not in the trade. And we should know, if we want to have entry above the top, we want to see the sharp move break and continue, and we want to see the continuation as 2714. If the price tag we see within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we take out the trade. It depends on the management and how the traders they start to manage. And if they have their own strategy, still they can look for trade. But even if he wants to look for trade from here, if you want to buy within this, let this one turn to deeper correction. At least we confirm this is the correction for continuation, because from what we have right now, we can look for this one as a flat for one more drop. Okay, the reason is most of the charts they have a similar movement. That's why they make it a bit quite confusing, maybe following the Bitcoin. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.